Wine slow, girl you a put on a fine show. Me glad say me fine yo. Make you stop work, start mine yo. I am front. You see the body there. Me want bring in a me place and lock you way. You see the body there. I feel the lyrical.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, I am Elleece London, and for those who do know me and who are familiar with my channel, a warm welcome back. And I hope you are all having a good start to 2021. And in today's video, we're going to be reviewing a braided wig from a company called Braids Queen. And they were kind enough to send me over their 100% hand-braided side part cornrow 13x5 braided lace wig, and it's in the style twisted braids. So now I'm going to go into some info about the hair. So the cap construction of this wig is that it has 3 combs and an adjustable strap at the back with a sew-on elastic band if you wanted to wear this unit glueless. But for the purpose of this video, I glued it down. And the length of this wig is in 30 inches and it is made of 100% high quality Kanekalon fibre, and it is in the colour 1B Natural Black. If you are interested at the end of this video that you want to purchase this exact same wig, I will leave the link to it in the description box. So my first official thoughts about this wig when I was installing it was that the braids, well, let me say the twists, were very neatly done. Like, for real, ain't no joke, like it was done so neatly to the T. And this wig is not heavy at all on your head, it's very, very lightweight. And you can tell that each twist was done with care, so shout out to the person who makes these wigs for this company. So in today's video, I'm going to install my wig by using my good old Got2b Freeze Blast Spray. And this is what I'm doing in this part of the video. So after all that, I'm going to go in with my head wrap and tie it down to set it. And I left that on for about 10 to 15 minutes and then I took it off. And remember me telling you that this hair is in the length 30 inches and it drops long. I'm 5'4" and it drops down to where my hips are, like just past, a little bit past my hips. So after taking the head wrap off, I'm going to continue on and brush the hairs up because they were sticking to the lace, and I'm going to continue and do my baby hairs, just minimal baby hair, because I feel like I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube and I've seen a lot of girls doing like dramatic baby hairs and it just makes it look noticeable that it's a wig. So I'm just going to do just a little bit of minimal baby hair just to give it that natural look. But just before I do that, I'm going to cut the lace off. And what I like about this wig is that the lace comes a light brown, so I didn't have to do too much to it. And I like how it just also blends really well into the skin. So what you want to do is cut all of the excess lace off around the perimeter of your head and also around the air. And here you just see me going back in with my Got2b spray because some of the parts of the lace were lifting up, so I just went in and sprayed that onto the parts that were lifting just to keep it intact. And just with this bit, just take your time and just cut as close to the hairline as possible so you don't leave out too much of the lace. Alright, so now that's looking all goody, I'm going to move on to doing the minimal baby hair like I said before. And to create these minimal baby hairs, I'm just going in with my Got2b Freeze Blast Spray and spraying it onto the hair and moulding the baby hairs to my liking. And you're just going to be seeing me doing that for the rest. I don't know why I struggled, guys, but I think it's because of the way the hair is done. Like with braided wigs, it's much more harder to create baby hairs. That's what I've noticed, and I think that's why I struggled in today's video. But when it comes to like any other wigs, like straight wigs, curly, kinky, whatever the case may be, I don't struggle to do my baby hairs. It's just because when it comes to braided wigs now, it's the way the hair is styled in a certain way. It's really hard to create baby hairs, but I struggled, but I got there in the end. So keep on watching to see the end results. And yeah, that is it, guys. I like the end result. It turned out really good. The lace is nowhere to be seen. This hairstyle is bomb. It's really nice. I love the lace, I love the style, I love the twist, I love everything about this unit. It's just very cute, and this was a very quick and easy install. Only when it came to creating the baby hairs, I had a little struggle, but everything else was so quick and easy, and this unit is the bomb.com, period. So at the end of this video, if you're interested in purchasing it, don't hesitate to click that link in the description box. And I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.